I'm 29 and I am very much single. Before this jumps into more conclusions, I very much identify as a female. I have never dated someone. I have never been in a relationship. I don't know, marriage as a concept has never clicked to me. Like never. बचपन से ही मुझे concept ही नहीं समझ आया and I will Hi guys and welcome back to A True Talk with Tea. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you very interestingly why I do not want to get married. So let's get started. But before that, before I even tell you to subscribe to the channel, I apologize for this tired, messy look. It's just been a long week, professionally, excellently long, touch wood. Personally, not so good, but long. But anyways, that aside, let's get to the topic. Why do I not want to get married? But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so since this topic is interesting but can get controversial, so I will give some context. First, an introduction for the people who do not know, for the people who are new. Hi, my name is Tanishka. I'm a full-time YouTube creator. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a consultant, also a student, and yeah, I'm 29 and I am very much single. Before this jumps into more conclusions, I very much identify as a female. I am pretty much straight. Nothing against the people who identify otherwise. Immense respect and acknowledgement for that. But just so that you have some context, that's why I am giving that information. Okay. So now coming to the story. First of all, to give more context to the story and make it more interesting, I have never dated someone. I have never been in a relationship since forever. Like never. I've never had a relationship. And I know for many people this is very shocking कि यार ऐसे कैसे कभी नहीं, how could you not like somebody? It's not that I have not liked somebody or somebody's not asked me out. वो छोटे मोटे crushes here and there have happened, but it has always been limited to that. No specific reason. I'm not saying कि मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा high demands है. In fact, to a certain extent, I take full onus on this because even though it doesn't show on YouTube maybe sometimes, but in reality, other than a professional setup, if you put me in a meeting, any client call or something like that, I'm an extreme extrovert. But otherwise, I am a very big introvert, especially with people I do not know. Mazal ho ki mera muh khul jaye. Like if you take me to a party, I will always be sticking to that one person who I know, and baki the others won't even know I exist. I'm that kind of a person. So of course that also makes a difference. So it's not that I'm very good at going and talking, or if somebody talks to me also I'm very reserved in general. तो एक वो aspect है. Honestly, कभी कभी FOMO होता है sometimes, and I say this very honestly sometimes because touchwood and really thank God मुझे FOMO बहुत कम होता है, so it doesn't affect me so much. I would say it barely does. Like I am also very, you can say, I don't want to call it rigid, but very sure on certain points on the kind of person I would like to have as a partner. And it's not about the looks or the money, वो सब बहुत secondary बात है, but certain values are there in which I'm honestly not okay to compromise. So एक वो भी barrier आ जाता है, because I'm very rigid on those certain value points. So that's also a thing. Also, I think good or bad, although I'm the youngest child, okay? So I have fed on a lot of experiences from my siblings, from my friends, and sometimes because you see so much, and I'm like that unpaid love guru, तो मेरे दिमाग में और भी guards high हो जाते हैं कि ये तो मुझे नहीं चाहिए, ये तो मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, ये तो मुझे नहीं चाहिए, and because your guards become so high, the chances of you getting into a relationship go tang 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 tang, which, like I said, sometimes of course you feel it, but more than often I do not feel it. I'm just being very honest about it. Not that I wouldn't want somebody, but see, I have never dated somebody, right? So I don't know what emotional dependency looks like. So I don't know what I'm missing out on from my experience. Yes, sometimes I see experiences of my friends or my siblings, तब लगता है, but again वो मेरा personal experience नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि मुझे पता है कि मैंने क्या miss out किया. It's like जिन्होंने मैगी खाया ही नहीं है कभी, they don't know, if they don't care अगर वो कभी नहीं खाए, क्योंकि they don't know how amazing it tastes. it's like that, right? Sadly, Maggie has not paid me to say this, but you get the point. So मेरा वो भी आ गया, and because I have reached now, like I'm 29, of course not like extremely old, but like, you form certain thoughts. It becomes harder. The barrier to enter your life becomes harder, and I say this, it's very hard. एक तो I am a very complicated person, तो वो भी mess हो जाता है. Also, I don't know why I do not want to get into dating apps. Never say never, maybe one day I do. I keep telling my friends हाँ अगले महीने, हाँ अगले हफ्ते, बट नहीं आता यार. मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों, मेरे को लगता है कि यार ये ऑर्गेनिक होना चाहिए. मे बी इट कम्स फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट आई एम अ वेरी बिग रोमांटिक पर्सन करंटली. तो जो मेरा वॉटपैड ऑब्सेशन चल रहा है ना, मुझे ले डूबेगा. बट लिटरली लाइक आई एम दैट लेवल रोमांटिक पर्सन. आई लिव इन डुलुलु वर्ल्ड, वो है. बट अब जो है सो है. ये मेरी स्टोरी है. And why am I highlighting this point is because I know a lot of you in your early 20s, maybe teens, feel the need to go out on a date because peer pressure होता है. Sometimes you just feel like, you're an uncool person if you don't go out. मुझे भी लगा था to a certain extent. I will not lie. It's not कि कभी नहीं लगा था. But then frankly, I feel like even just to show myself to be cool, I cannot do it. I don't know why. And I don't want to do it. First of all, my intuition with people are like very, very, very high. Like मुझे almost instantly पता चल जाता है whether I'm gonna like this person or not. And if I know it's a no na, I don't want to waste your time also. मैं थोड़ी वैसी टाइप की इंसान हूँ. Because why mislead somebody? I don't want to waste my time. I don't want to waste your time. थोड़ी मैं हूँ उस टाइप की. And somewhere my mind has always been more focused towards my goals, my ambitions, my dreams. So this is it. This is the reality. And it's fine. I think I'm completely okay with it. If I definitely would want to find somebody, as a partner. But नहीं भी मिलता है तो क्या कर सकते हैं? I will not force it. I cannot compromise on my values. I would rather stay single forever than do that. Because I don't want to get into a relationship that messes with me or messes with that person. I know it's also just very high guards. कभी try करके देखना चाहिए तो पता चलेगा. Maybe. I get it. मुझसे फिलहाल नहीं हुआ है. ये मेरी कहानी है. अब इसका सही गलत भगवान जाने. अब the main point of this video. Even if I do manage to find somebody, either, I fall in love or my parents find, still by choice I do not want to get married, not now, and hopefully never. Never say never, but yeah, the closest to the never say never mein hopefully never mein aaya hai mera. And before people jump to conclusions, it's not that I've seen trauma in shadis all my life. No, my parents are married happily, touch wood. Both my sisters are married happily, touch wood. One to even has a baby, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood. But just by choice, I don't know, marriage as a concept has never clicked to me. Like never. बचपन से ही मुझे concept ही नहीं समझ आया, and I will explain to you why. I'm a very strong believer कि किसी भी relationship में, be it friendship, be it mother daughter, father daughter, sisters, brothers, anything, to make a relationship work, थोड़े से compromises और efforts लगते हैं, especially if it's new. Like even my nephew who was born like almost a year ago, even when he was born, of course there were some changes in my life. Change happens basically in any relationship if you want to make it work. एंड सबसे ज्यादा चेंजेस जो आती हैं एक लाइफ में इज व्हेन यू गेट मैरिड. या कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस और एडजस्टमेंट्स होते हैं. इट कुड बी द टाइनी वंस, बट दे आर देयर. एंड आई डोंट से कि सिर्फ लड़कियों को करना पड़ता है, नॉट टेकिंग इट अवे. ऑफ कोर्स लड़कों को भी करना पड़ता है, स्पेशली इन टुडेज जनरेशन. बट मुझे लगता है पर्सनली कि unknowingly, knowingly, somewhere it's always the woman who has to compromise a little bit more. And I'm not just talking about her leaving her house. वो बात बहुत secondary है. अब तो बहुत ही बदल गया. Like even men leave their house, so that's not a big deal. And घर जमाई, like my parents would be like हाँ ठीक है आ जाओ, वो बात नहीं है. But somewhere the feminine energy is such कि by nature ही लड़कियों का compromise हल्का सा ज़्यादा होता ही है, right? And I'm not talking about the job sacrifices or etc. वो नहीं. I'm talking about the smaller, the emotional sacrifices when your life has to change. I can't explain this correctly. Oh God, इसको थोड़ा लिख के रखना चाहिए था मुझे. But okay. For example, you have to choose, not, I don't know how to word this correctly for the lack of better words, you have to somewhere let go of the small things in your family. Say आपको हर संडे साथ डिनर करने की आदत है. I'm not saying कि कभी नहीं होगा, but there will be some Sundays where your husband or that other family demands your time and you have to go there. Or, I don't know, ये छोटी छोटी चीजें, छोटी छोटी ऐसी changes, life changing changes, maybe I do not want. I just don't find it worth. And it's not that I am commitment phobic. Some people have even asked me that, so I'm just going to address it. In fact, I am that kind of person, and I say this with utmost pride कि if I have you in my life, or I take you in my life, I am the most loyal person. I am extremely committed. I don't let people go. But मुझे लगता है जैसे ही एक शादी का टैग आ जाता है ना, you're married, you're legally married, I feel like somewhere the dynamics for a woman always changes a little bit more. Like you are always expected to be there for the guy, for the guy's family, and I don't mind that. But somewhere it is not equally reciprocated by the guy. Of course guys do, men do reciprocate, but it's just always, I feel like हल्का सा एक लड़की को ही ज़्यादा compromise करना पड़ता है. It could be in the small things. It could be, for example, if the daughter's parents are unwell, just giving a very hypothetical situation. Of course, her husband will be there, will be a part of, consoling her, being there for her, being there for the family. But sometimes maybe the husband just unlooks, or, stops looking at the fact कि अच्छा उसकी family ने खाना खाया, not just the parents. Is her siblings well fed? Are the siblings okay? Are the brothers okay? अच्छा हॉस्पिटल के बिल्स कैसे भरे? इट्स नॉट दैट हील टेल हर कि तुम मत दो, बट ठीक है तुम्हारी मर्जी, वैसे वाला सिचुएशन होता है. Whereas God forbid लड़के के पेरेंट्स बीमार पड़ जाएं, the girl of course should stand by him because she's his partner, and I'm totally for that. But somewhere the expectations change कि you have to stand. जो मैंने कहा ना कि शायद लड़का वो चीजें नहीं देखेगा, लड़की will have to look. And it's not just because she wants to, well and good. Sometimes it is the expectation, right? So it's not that the guy doesn't want to help, doesn't want to do, doesn't is not present in today's generation. Most men I see are, but still that being present, being there is a certain line in most situations, or at least I like to believe कि होता है. I don't know if I'm wording this correctly, and please don't come pouncing on me. ये बस मेरा thought है, and personally I feel like I am not okay with it. I cannot change my priorities. My priorities forever will be my own family, my own career. And if I do have a partner in the future in a romantic way, which is also another reason I'm single, because I feel like people might not understand this point very well. Some people may not everybody is okay to be in a non-title relationship. I feel like not like dating, yeah, but कि कभी शादी नहीं होगी, it's tough, right? But मुझे नहीं करनी, because मेरी शायद priorities हमेशा हमेशा टॉप नॉच प्रायोरिटीज यही रहेंगी. माई ओन फैमिली, माई ओन पेरेंट्स, माई ओन वर्क. नॉट दैट वो लड़का मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं होगा, बट ही कैन नेवर एवर एवर top that list. And most people are not okay to not be somebody's priority, be it girl or a guy. I feel like this is a fact. Like if you're in a relationship, you somewhere start expecting कि नहीं यार मैं ही तुम्हारी utmost priority रहूंगी, without considering कि यार 28 years, 29 years, 30, 40 years, whatever, उसकी प्रायोरिटीज कोई और थी, एंड वो हमेशा रहनी चाहिए, क्यों बदलनी चाहिए? सो मे बी like that's just my thought. I don't know if I've explained it well. I hope I have. Again, coming to the point that I'm not against the people who get married. I feel like somebody told me very rightly, you choose your battle in life. जिनकी शादी हुई पड़ी है या हो रही है या करनी चाहते हैं, of course this is a certain thing that they have to work with, the adjustment, the compromises. And जिसको नहीं करनी, जैसे मुझे नहीं करनी, doesn't mean my life is gonna be very rosy. The loneliness hits as well. So I chose this over that. You may decide to choose that over this, and both are okay. This is just my opinion. And like I said, I don't really think कि कोई ऐसा होगा who can change my opinion, but फिलहाल मेरी ये opinion है. My parents know about it. They understand it. They respect it, is what I would say. Especially my mother. Like, touchwood मेरे घर पे कभी ये नहीं है that they force anything, because वो तो करना भी नहीं चाहिए. So they respect it. They explain to me कि need होती है या क्या, but they never enforce it. And for some reason इसके वजह से ना मुझे राधा कृष्ण की स्टोरी भी बहुत पसंद है, because it just makes me believe in a love where a marriage title doesn't need to be there to complete it or to show the world. मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि सिविक टाइटल है वो. आप अगर किसी के पार्टनर वैसे भी बन सकते हो तो बन जाओ, बट वो एक ऐसा टाइटल है जिससे मुझे लगता है कि इंस्टेंटली सबसे ज़्यादा लड़की की लाइफ चेंज होती है, एक्सपेक्टेशंस बदल जाती हैं, एंड आई एम नॉट ओके विद दैट. Many people would think, oh, उसको बस in-laws नहीं चाहिए, because some people, categorize women like that, कि she's not okay with loving the guy's family, उसको भी तो compromise करना पड़ रहा है. Much to that contrary, मुझे अगर partner भी चाहिए, I want him to have like a full-fledged family. लाइक मुझे तो चाहिए कि उसके दादा दादी भी हों. आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. आई एम वेरी इनटू फैमिली. आई एम अ फैमिली फर्स्ट पर्सन. मेरा ये माइंडसेट ही इसलिए आता है बिकॉज आई एम अ फैमिली फर्स्ट पर्सन. एंड इनफैक्ट आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन एवर इवन डेट अ गाय जो अपने फैमिली का सगा नहीं है और हु डजंट हैव अ गुड रिलेशनशिप विद हिज फैमिली. बिकॉज अगर तुम वहां पे सगे नहीं हो, वहां पे अच्छे नहीं हो, इवेंचुअली तुम मेरे साथ भी अच्छे नहीं हो. सो दैट्स नॉट द रीजन. मुझे पता है उस लड़के की भी लाइफ बदलेगी, बट मुझे ये भी पता है कि शादी करने से मेरी लाइफ ज्यादा बदलेगी उससे, शायद थोड़ा, बट maybe I don't know, maybe I'm just a very balanced person and I don't want to give that extra thoda. Or maybe, like I said, it's just that my priorities are very set and I don't know, I'm not willing to change that, at least as of now. तो ये मेरा mindset है. So yes, this is why I do not want to get married. काफी ज़्यादा लंबा video हो गया है. Even my phone storage will not allow me to take a video longer than this. So I hope you get the point. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'm very nervous to post this. I don't know why. इतना डर तो मुझे कभी CFA result डालने के लिए भी नहीं लगा था. But एक अजीब सी nervousness हो रही है. I don't know, because some people I feel can view this negatively. But whatever it is, I'm open to the feedback, open to your thoughts. Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, if you like this video and want me to talk more on such topics, then let me know in the comment section and I'll see you guys very very soon. Until then, sorry, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. ये तो मैं बोलना ही भूल गई, most important, subscribe करके जाना. And I'll see you guys very very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.